Hey guys, welcome back to Making It. Today we're here in beautiful East Rutherford, New Jersey at Metlife Stadium for the New Jersey Giants, as I call them. Doing a little tailgate and tacos. We're giving away some boots to some lucky, fun friends that we make in the tailgating community here. XTRATUF's got a really cool line of boots where they've got all the different NFL colors. I got my Giants on, the little blue and the red here. We got the Giants doing horrible this year, but that's okay. We're standing strong, and I think they're playing the Saints. New Orleans, baby, and we'll see who wins. Gonna be making a little tailgate and tacos. We got some brisket, some pork belly. All right, I cooked them at home in the sauce in a vac bag, ready to go. I got them in the cooler with boiling water, getting nice and hot. We got the nice little Gagnon. We're gonna slip cast irons right in there, crisp up the food, throw them in some tacos. I'm gonna make a little slaw, roast up some peppers, tailgate tacos, yum yum. Have a little Guinness maybe. And then we're gonna bring the boys in. I got the kids with me, I got Griff. Look at Griff, man. Hanging out. I got my parents with me. I got Mom back there. Maybe you remember from the world famous tomato sauce and meatballs. It's the dumbest thing I've done all day. Mom, the meatballs, fuck. We got Peg, we got Jorge, his name's George. He's my dad. He works at Vernon Township High School. Look, he's got his jacket on. He's got his work jacket on. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. You know, we brought it on the road. I left the Lord of Death at home. A little fragile for this trip. I don't know how he felt about sporting events. Whatever. I just forgot him. All right, I'm not gonna lie to you, but I was gonna put him over here. But for the shrine, we're just gonna put him on our little tables. We're gonna hang out. We got some nice little peppers. We got a poblano and these little roasters. You know, you see them in the supermarket. They come in like a mixed pack. So we're gonna roast them up, chop them up, put them in our little cabbage slaw. Bet you I throw this cabbage over the mountains. Watch this. I got a little bit of yuzu mayonnaise, which I've been loving. We're gonna put a little skadooch of that in there. Mix it up, make a little, like Frankie! Oh, that ain't Frank. I'm gonna find a Frank. Mix it up with a little mayonnaise, a little lime juice. I don't know, we're gonna wing it a little. Got some cotija cheese. Frankie, what's up, Frank? Making a little tacos, bud. Give us about 20, swing back. Got a little cotija cheese. We're gonna crumble up on there real nice. A little cilantro, some radish. I don't know, we're just gonna cook it together, make a little street food. All right, so let's start off by, I wanna make our slaw, because that can hang out. New Jersey temperature, it's about 43 degrees out Fahrenheit. So let's get that going. I'm gonna roast up our peppers in the Gagnon there. I put a little bit of olive oil on them, got them on a little roasting rack, slip them right in there. And that's just gonna roast for a few minutes. We're gonna get a little char on there, and then we'll chop them up. Do about a half of a head of cabbage, slice it up pretty thin, put it in a bowl, dress it with a little mayonnaise, a little lime juice. Simple, just a little something to go with the meat on the top. Real simple tacos. I just wanna coat it a little bit with that mayonnaise. I don't want it to be like a big coleslaw-y type of thing. Just a little bit of like, you know, just a little bit, a little scotchy-boshy. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. All right, it's nice. I got my whole little kit binned up, goes right in the deck drawer system. Little portable kitchen, baby. Watch out, which way's the wind going? Jesus Christ. You gotta season it over here. All right, little black pep. That's great. All right, we're going stems and all, baby. It's blown away. Get it in the bowl. Put a little bit of cotija in there. And this stuff is great. It's just a really nice crumbly cheese. Little roasted red pep. You could go scraping the skin off if you want, not a bad idea. And this is a little poblano pepper, real nice flavor, beautiful. A little bit more mayonnaise. I love this stuff. I find it in the store by me. Little yuzu, little hint of citrus in there, that little yuzu. Ooh, another half a lime in there. So 1 lime, probably a 1/4 cup of that yuzu mayonnaise, the poblano and that red sweet pepper that we roasted up in the pizza oven. Chop that up in there. So we're gonna make a nice little. And that residual heat from the roasted peppers will help just like build this little slaw. And we'll do a little chopped up onion too. Do a little small dice on it, a little topper, fresh, a little crisp, nice. I like the white onion, you know, it's a little mild, sweet, kind of like a refreshing. I mean, I like all onions. You know what else we'll do? We'll cut up a little bit of little red radish. Can't go wrong with a little radish. I like to do the radishes on the thin side. And I'll add them right to the onions. Oh, I love radishes. So the meat we're gonna be using today is something that I like to do at home, you know, tailgating or camping, anything where you're cooking out of your truck or out of your car, out in a parking lot, whatever. It's all about doing as much prep as you can at home. Oh yeah, beautiful. So that's the pork belly with the Japanese barbecue sauce. Add that right into the cast iron and just give it a blast. And what's nice about the vac bag, when you get a good vacuum seal on there, all that juices in the meat all gets sucked back into the meat, and it just kind of saturates it, and it just does a beautiful job. Smoked brisket, we got the salsa verde, beautiful. And again, this was smoked black peppercorn, pink peppercorn, and we got some really nice just broken down peppers in there too. Just because that pizza oven gets ripping hot, I want to get this thing nice and hot before I blast it. Once that broiler hits it, it's only going to take, you know, 30 seconds to get that little char on the top that we want. And like I said, this meat is all about, like when I tailgate or outdoor cooking or anything like that, I like to, especially something like brisket or pork belly, which takes a long time to cook. I do that all at home. So here we're just real quick, 5-6 minutes in the broiler, which is basically what a pizza oven is. And so we're just putting a little cut. I can't. All right, so we pulled the brisket and the pork belly out of the pizza oven. Got that covered with a little foil, just hanging out. Just gonna heat up some tortillas real quick. Game's gonna start soon. We got some boots to give away. So and we gotta eat. We gotta get a little tacos going, all right? We'll make some tacos, start throwing them at people, and let's go. Got this down in Mexico, Puerto Escondido for Local Legends coffee. Beautiful. Little tortilla warmer. I'm gonna do a little brisket. We got the smoked brisket with the peppers in there. Almost smells like a sausage and pepper sandwich. Nice little slaw on top of there. It gives you a nice little mix there. It gives it that rich, kind of smoky, fat brisket. A little bit of pepper on there, gives it that spice, and then a little bit of acid on that coleslaw is just gonna help cut it, make it real nice. That's the brisket. Smoked peppers, salsa verde. All right, taco time, tailgate taco open. First up, what's your name, Frank?
Jeff.
Jeff.
You call me Frank if you want.
Frank, come on in here, Frank. Even though you got the completely wrong jersey on, I respect your commitment. We got smoked brisket or pork belly. Your pick, Frank.
Definitely the pork belly.
Do the pork belly?
Yes, sir.
Boom, look at us. Jeff. All right, go Patriots.
Thank you very much.
What size shoe are you, Jeff?
I'm a size 11.
Woo!
We got an 11?
Yes! An 11.
Oh, my God.
Oh, winner, bud. You get a pair. We're like fucking Oprah Winfrey over here. You get a boot.
Thank you very much.
Taco and a boot, huh? Who's better than us? Give the man a boot.
Thank you guys very much.
Yeah, man, enjoy. Take a bite, eat the taco.
Jeff, you're stealing my boots, bro?
His name's Frank. Oh, there he is. Hey, I got a little brisket. You want it?
Really good.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to set you up, buddy.
What size shoe you want?
9.5 or a 10, whatever.
Do we have them?
Yes!
Wow. That pork belly's really good. You did an awesome job.
Little smoked brisket, bud. Yeah. And you get a pair of Tuffers.
Dude, this is crazy.
Delicious, yeah?
so good,
You
man.
want a taco, Bob?
Appreciate it.
Give the guy a taco.
Thank you
What
so
are we?
much.
Yeah, dude. Go Giants, baby. Big boot. Yeah, enjoy, dude. What's up, guys? Taco?
I can't believe we fucking pulled up next to you, man.
Yeah.
I idolize you.
Oh, yeah. Oh, buddy.
I'll trade you some fly fishing gear I got in the back of my truck.
Oh, you don't have to. I'll give you a taco. What's up? You want beef or pork belly?
Dealer's choice.
Brisket or belly?
All right, belly.
Yeah, what's your name, dude?
Jay, man.
Russ?
Yeah.
Yeah, Russ.
Pleasure to meet you.
You
Great.
too. Russ, what size boot are you?
12s usually, but
What do we got? Taco. Heck yeah, dude. Yeah. You get a boot. Pork belly's good?
time, guys.
Yeah, buddy, like that. Frank! Get over here, Frank!
Hell yeah. A family affair.
Yes, sir. Tailgating at its finest, baby.
Can I get a picture with you?
Yeah! A pork belly or brisket?
Should I do a pork belly, man?
Yeah.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, heck
Thank you.
yeah, dude. Oh, he pulled it in! You won the boot, man. Throw a good one, Griff. Layup. You gotta go for a pass. You gotta go. You gotta cover his ass. Yeah? TD, touch the Super Bowl, baby. Let's see the boot. Go blue, baby. Hit him. Hail Mary. End zone, baby. End zone. End zone. Deeper, deeper. Oh, good hustle, number 10. He gets a boot. Get that man a taco, too. He turned the Jets on.
Thank you, thank you.
You want brisket or pork belly?
Can I have brisket, please?
You, sir, can. All right, good catch, boy. Yeah, go Giants, man. Another happy Giants fan. Full belly, warm feet, Super Bowl, baby. No, I think we're like 2-10. Someone's pissed. We got one more pair of boots to give away. This lady looks like she's a size 9. We can get her. We can get her. Oh, is this Cinderella over here? What are we doing? Do they fit? Yeah, all right. Winner, winner. Get her a taco.
Thank you so much.
All right, game's about to start. Gave away some boots, made some friends, make a little taco for myself, Tailgate Tacos, and the big takeaway is do all the prep at home so you can just kind of crisp it up, have some fun, build a rig, a little outdoor kitchen, and you're eating like a king out here, right? So cheers, guys. We'll check you next time, and go Big Blue. Who wants a taco?